for the search of job hunt. So right now I am here at Dubai Internet City. So from here I am going to Palm Jumeirah. Palm Jumeirah, where that's a surprise for you. So for now let's. So still I am on my way.
Right now, everything's okay.
Hello,
No matter
hello.
where
How are you,
you find
sir?
yourself, no matter what
We
kind
are
of stuff
going
is
to
going on in your life,
Palm Jumeirah, Jebel
underneath
Sarai.
it all, everything's actually alright.
Today I have an interview there, so
okay.
let's see how it goes. So what's your name, sir? Sidavi Hussain. So can I record, sir, with your permission?
Not allowed to RTA order.
Not allow. Okay. So we close for now. But you guys can enjoy the view scenario of the Dubai, alright? And the Palm Jumeirah. Once I will reach there, obviously I would love to share with the views how the Palm Jumeirah is, then tall buildings and the fabulous luxury hotels.
RTA ने मना कर दिया ये तो आपकी आईडी से चढ़ेगी ना अगर चढ़ी भी तो
So as I told you, now I am here at Palm Jumeirah near Jumeirah Jebel Sarai. As you can see, this is the seaside view. Well, I haven't been in the sea and I haven't been in the yet because I never had a chance. So I haven't prepared, guys, for the interview. I don't know how it's going to be, but I have prepared on advance before like 2-3 months ago for this interview. So I hope this will be not a challenging part for me. So finally, guys, I am here at Jumeirah Jebel Sarai. Alright, guys, so I have finished interview and it went very well. So I will not talk much more about what happened, what question they asked me. As you can know, like interview is how the interview is just like. Tell me about yourself, blah blah blah, where you work, how many years of experience you have. But I'll not waste your time. But I want to show you some beautiful view. Wow, amazing view. We are here at the Palm Jumeirah at the last. You can see here luxury cars, GMC, and very nice. So guys, right now I already catch taxi the way to go to Dubai Internet City. As I told you before, my interview is finished. So as I'm really sorry I cannot show you unlimited or like more views. I can only show you like what is in my hand and what views I can take. So I hope you guys are doing very well, but later when I have a chance I'll also take some videos so you guys can enjoy. So for now, stay tuned. Right now I am here at the Dubai Internet City metro station and I am going back to my room, and for today interview is finished. Hey guys, right now I am here at Dera station. I just get out from Dubai Internet City. Since when I was recording my first video, I did tell you one thing, right? You guys, I have a surprise for you. You know what? That surprise today. I have another interview also. I'm going for the cruise line, and they just called me right just now, and I am going to attend the Odyssey International. Alright, so right now I am here in Dera city center, a long way to Odyssey International. As I told you, I'm going for the tourist interview. Wish me good luck, guys. What more I can say? I hope you are enjoying. So it's very sunny and it's very little bit hot because the summertime is coming, so it's getting started to hot. I am still not finding where is the Odyssey International Exchange located. But normally I am here already at Pullman Hotel. So in the mail they were saying opposite to the Pullman Hotel. The building name is Al Ittihad building. Well, where it is, let's see. So as for the mail, I came to the place, the Lina Hotel, but I don't know where is it exactly. Al Ittihad building. I need to ask someone. Find you guys. I'm here at Al Ittihad building. Finally, Al Ittihad building. I just go inside and they just tell me that it was just only to drop the CV. Then I just dropped my CV. Then they said like when any cruise line like Royal Caribbean, MSC, Seabourn, Silver Cruise, they want to hire, they will just call for the interview. The rest, how you guys prepared, how I prepared, depends. So make sure when you are going for the cruise line or anything interview, just prepare in advance so you can grab that position you desired. So now I think for today it's over, and now I am going to my room. I am a bit kind of tired today because I went to Palm Jumeirah and I came again to Dera city center, and you know Dubai is something like this. All right, so take care, ciao.